Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link a spreadsheet with Google Docs file, or how you can make a spreadsheet on Google Docs. So here I have already opened a Google Docs file and also a spreadsheet in my windows right here. So there are two ways that you can use to add a spreadsheet to your Google Docs. So first, you can copy the link of the file. You can copy in here or just click on share and then copy the link of the file of the spreadsheet file and then open the Google Docs, and here you can just type in text in here, then block it, right click on it and click on insert link, and after that you can just paste the link in here and click on apply. So when you click on the word, this spreadsheet will be open like this. So that's the first way on how to do it. But if you want to add like chart, here when you go to insert and go to chart, you can extract it from the spreadsheet. So you can just click on this from sheets, then find the file, or you can also, okay, so I'm going to go to in here and click on select. Then here the Google Docs will detect the chart, and after that you can just click on import and click on it. You can choose to link the spreadsheet or not, and after that click on import. Okay, just like that, the chart of the spreadsheet will be added to your Google Docs. So when you click on this link option, you can also open the source. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial for me. If you got any question, feel free to comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.